Blender Dither Generator is an easy-to-use compositing tool designed to recreate artistic dithering effects. It lets you quickly simulate retro visuals, custom color palettes, and a variety of dithering styles without building complicated node setups. To get started, switch your viewport to Material Preview or Rendered mode. Next, open the compositor and click New to enable compositing nodes. Then, in the Dither Generator main tab, press Create Node Group. Now connect the Render Layers node to the Dither node group. Then connect it to the group output and the Viewer node so you can preview the effect in real time. You can close the compositor and press Enable Effect to activate it. From here, you can explore all 28 presets and customize them however you like. You can even animate the effect by clicking the clock icon next to a parameter. There are also plenty of settings to experiment with.